A map of Wales hangs on a wall by a bookshelf. Then Thomas sits at his desk to give an update.
Noswaith, it's Monday 26th September 2022 and I'm in Blaenau Ffestiniog, Gogledd Cymru, North Wales. For the past few months, I've been tracking unusual atmospheric activity following a significant solar flare back in July. Today, an even more powerful solar flare triggered a KP5 geomagnetic storm. I was up at Llyn, Ffridd, a short walk from here, and I've just posted what I saw. It's not the best picture, but look, you can see it, yeah? Like a glow, an aurora appearing out of the lake. Now, this latest incident resembles the same unusual storm activity back in July, and I've sat on this whilst digging deeper because, well, look, take a look at the blog. Does he look familiar? Well, yeah, of course he does. Now, either Owain Wyn Evans had one hell of a night out, or, look, you'd say he must be what? Pushing 70? And the weather, I mean, look at those temperatures. In September. I've had footage through from other reliable sources. Some of it shows what appears to be a localized electrical storm across Swansea Bay, most likely also triggered by the solar flare. I'll be tracking any further activity from here. Gwyliwch yn ofalus.